Welcome to Beyond Bliss, and I am Jayashree, and today I've got for you the Smashbox plus Sobita Dhulipala Always On Mini Matte Duo, and these are in the shades Bows and Gulabe, and I got this during the Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. It is not available anymore, but I thought I should review these lipsticks to you guys because they are like the great deal lipsticks, you know, because Gulabe is like a shade made only for we Indian women, and Bows is something to create a statement, and everybody talks about this. So I thought, why not try it and show it to you all. Now this is going to be a reverse video, so I'm going to swatch it first, and then I'm going to review the lipsticks, and then I'm going to talk to you about the box. So yeah, because I don't want to waste your time, I just want to get straight to the point. So yeah, just get into the video. So guys, that you saw while applicating, this looked like a bright baby cool tone pink color, but once it dries down, it looks like a baby of pink nude lipstick, brown nude lipstick. Both of these came together, became a cool couple, and gave birth to Gulabe. It literally looks like that. Now this doesn't look completely pink, it looks like a mixture of pink and brown. It dries down like that, and it feels very comfortable. The formula, guys, is amazing. Like all the YouTubers blabbering about it, it's honest. The formula feels very good, very lightweight. It feels very comfortable, and I like the texture of it. Like only one swipe was enough. The consistency is not thick, it's thin. It doesn't feel cakey at all. No crumbs, no stickiness. So the formula, amazing. But coming to the part where they say this is a shade made for we Indian women, no, this is not going to look good on a lot of people out there, because this doesn't look good on me when I have no makeup on. Like without makeup, it looks good, it looks pretty good. As you all can see, like it is still wearable, I can still wear it because it has turned pinkish from inside and has created this brown line around it. So it looks good like that with makeup, but without makeup it doesn't look good, you guys. It looks bad. I looked washed out, and I am into medium skin tone with olive undertones, so it doesn't look good on me without makeup. And there are a lot of girls out there which I'm sure of won't look good on you. I know that's the sad truth with this lipstick. It's not a shade made for we Indian women. There are much better shades that they have which will look good on you, and if I purchase them, I'll definitely let you all know. And for that, follow me on Instagram, okay, which is Beyond Bliss 17. So anyways, guys, so that was the main thing. The formula should be good, but also the shade that is claiming is going to look good on all we Indian women. How is it possible? We have got so many shades, we've got so many undertones. Just find, I know it's difficult to find the exact shade, but this is not it. Even in the advertisement, they should have at least showed more women with different colors and undertones doing this. And on the website, guys, with all Smashbox liquid lipsticks, okay, on the website, the picture that they show is completely wrong. It doesn't look like that at all. So anyways, will I wear this on a regular basis? Yes, I will, because it feels very comfortable and good. But wearing it without makeup is a no for me. Let me come to the packaging. So it comes in a plastic bottle like this, and has got black cap and normal applicator like this. And the applicator is really good because it picks up a lot of product, and then with the help of that, you just need one swipe, literally one swipe, and it's all done. Definitely the pigmentation of this lipstick is amazing. I can still feel and see my creases on my lips, so I think if I go with the second layer, it will vanish. This color is so cute, and without makeup it doesn't look good on me. So So that was all for Gulabi, you guys. I wanted to be completely frank and open and honest and come straight to the point. So I hope you all found this review helpful, and let's move on now to Bows. Ready to make a statement? Yes, let's just go. Guys, you have to trust me on this. This is the best red shade ever. Literally, at least I have tried so many, and out of them this red is the most beautiful and flattering red that I have ever tried. Like, oh my god, just look at this. Now it's looking a bit bright red, but when it dries down completely, it turns into like this neutral color red, which is the best thing. It's not cool tone, it's not warm tone, it's neutral, it's in between. Oh my god, I'm obsessed, you guys. This is so good. Now this is something that I will like to purchase in a bigger size. Now again guys, this comes in the same plastic packaging as Gulabi. Black cap, plastic bottle, same applicator, but you have to be very careful while applying this because this is so pigmented. Like literally you'll have to be very careful while applying it. It's that pigmented, like one swipe pigment. This is so good, you guys. I have found my favorite red shade. Yes, you can create a bold statement with this red lip. Like, just look at it. It's so good. I love this. It feels so comfortable, so nice, and the best part, water resistant, transfer proof, smudge proof, coming with such good qualities in it. It feels so good. It doesn't feel drying at all. With this one you cannot see a lot of creases. It's like it has gone into my creases, sucked nicely in, and it has beautifully just, I think it just melted onto my lips, you know. It's that good. I love this red so much. Not at all patchy, nothing like that. Yeah, it has turned transfer proof. So this one dried faster than Gulabi. This being red and so bright, it dried faster. Like, oh my god, this is so good. This is so good, literally, you guys. So if you guys are looking for the best red shade out there, then this is it. This is so pretty, you guys. It looks so good on me, and it's going to complement all of you just because it is neutral undertone. It's going to look good on all of you. Now this is a shade which is made for all Indian women. I don't know what is it with all these Smashbox lipstick, but again, now this looks like I have lined my lips with a darker red, and inside there's a lighter red. Actually, that's good. Now you don't need a lip liner because this is going to do the job for you of a lip liner and your lipstick. I don't know what is it. It just looks so good. Time to show it to you all in natural lighting. This is what Bows looks like in natural sunlight. Guys, this lipstick will stain your lips, so I like that about it, because whenever you eat something or you're eating something oily, which we Indian people always do, it won't like fade away completely. The stain will still be there, and it will look like you still have lipstick on. So that's a really good part about it. I'm being completely honest, okay? No lying here, because I wouldn't want you all to waste so much of money on a shade that is actually not good. So this one is definitely worth it, and you should definitely go ahead and buy Bows. Coming to the unboxing part at the end. Most of you all have ended this video, and if you're still here, let me unbox it for you. So it comes in this Nykaa's Luxe box, and obviously Smashbox is a luxurious brand, so they sent in that box. And this is what the package looks like. It says Smashbox plus Shobita Dhulipala Mini Always On Mini Matte Duo, and it comes in two shades, Gulabi and Bows. Now this collection, like this two mini matte duos, was selected by Shobita. Obviously Shobita created the shade Gulabi, and Bows is by Lee Singh, and she wanted the two most empowering shades in one box. So that's why this box created. This was available during the Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. Both of these were wrapped in this black paper, like inside the box. And guys, these two are like completely worth it. Buying this was completely worth it, because otherwise Smashbox lipsticks are really expensive, and getting two shades at such great deal, like the most powerful and most selling shades at such a great price, was a huge thing. And these lipsticks, even though the quantity is less, it's going to last you really long, because only one swipe of it is enough. The pigment is great, you don't have to touch up, the formula is amazing. So getting this was really fun, and I find it really worth it. I enjoy using both of these shades. I'm wearing Bows right now. Really beautiful, really good. You can definitely check the reviews by going back, and literally I've done a reverse review video. Anyways guys, so this is what the box looks like. This is what the lipsticks look like. Definitely a worth it buy. And if there's, I think during Diwali they might come up with again some other mini matte duos. So if you get a chance to buy these mini matte duos, definitely go ahead and buy it because Smashbox lipsticks formula are amazing. All for today's Worth It Wednesday, you guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. See you until next time.